Hello everyone, hope you are well. So here we have another question of odd one out questions, right? What we need to do, we need to go for the identifying one of the option which will be odd from the other four sentences which belong to one family. So that is what the direction pointed here. Five sentences related to a topic are given below. Four of them can be put together to form a meaningful and coherent short paragraph. Identify the odd one out. Choose its number as your answer and key it. Okay. So let's look at the each option. As we understood in this task, we are identifying which sentence does not fit with the others to form a coherent paragraph. Let's look at the first one. There is no doubt that the increasing visibility of women voters in elections is the outcome of some heartening structural transformation. Right. So if I look into it, this sentence introduces the topic of the increasing visibility, right? Increasing visibility of women voters in election and attributes it's a structural transformation, right? Structural transformations. So next stage called as a option two, better access to education, heightened consciousness about rights, institutional encouragements, as well as you can say that enhanced means of mobilization have played their bit, right? Now, what option two states, this sentence you can say continues the discussion by contributing to listing factors that contributing to the increased visibility of women voters, focusing on education, right? Focusing on what? Education, their rights, institutional encouragement, as well as enhanced means of mobilization, right or not? So institutional support and mobilization. So, but but here it is given in option three, but which is a contrasting one. But political parties need to do a lot more than pledging populist packages of for women. Now, this sentence introduces what a critical perspective on the efforts, right? So critical perspective. Look into it. Critical perspective on the efforts of political parties towards women, right? Or no? Political parties towards women. So suggesting that they need to go beyond more pledges of populist packages. Isn't it? That is what given here. Populist package for women. So um, and option 4 stated meaningful emancipation is only possible when women are adequately represented in institutions that possess the levers of power. Now, this sentence emphasizes what? Emphasizes the importance of women again, right? Women are adequately represented in institutions that possess the levers of power. So, importance of women's representation in power institutions for achieving meaningful emancipation. Now, the last one stated most parties remain tight-fisted when it comes to nominating women candidates. Now, this sentence stands out because it shifts the focus to the behavior of you can say political parties, behavior of political parties in nominating women candidates, in nominating women candidates uh, rather than discussing broader structural transformation and empowerment. So on the basis of that, we can say uh, option one, two, three, and four, right? So they discuss broader themes such as structural transformation, right, and factors contributing to women's visibility, right, the limitations of political party efforts and the need for women's representation in power institutions. Whereas the sentence five, right, that's what, however, specifically talks about the political parties. Right. Most parties remain tight-fisted when it comes to nominating women candidates. So being tight-fisted in nominating woman candidate, which is a nothing but a narrow focus, narrow focus, and introduces a different aspect compared to the, you can say that other sentence. So based on the kind of information, we can say sentence 5 is the odd one here because it shifts the focus to the behavior of political parties regarding the nominating of women candidate, whereas the other sentences focus on what you can say that uh, broader themes related to structural transformation, empowerment, and political representation. So hence we can say 5 will be our odd one out, right? Thank you.